In this video, we are going to talk about to earn money with affiliate marketing. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel and ring the bell for our future updates. Known as affiliate marketing, it is one of the oldest forms of marketing in which affiliates are compensated when customers purchase products or services as a result of following the affiliate's recommendations. Because it does not necessitate the development and sale of a product, it is one of the most economical and straightforward ways of marketing available today. Nothing more than connecting a buyer and a seller and collecting your compensation when a transaction has been completed is expected of you as a broker. While it is true that affiliate marketing is incredibly competitive, it is also true that earning money online through affiliate marketing may be a rather straightforward process. Before launching a marketing campaign for your products, you must conduct research on what works and what doesn't in order to be effective. Number 10. Use tools. To be successful in marketing, you must maximize the efficacy of your efforts. For a variety of tasks such as conducting market research, competitive research, tracking and converting your advertising efforts, there are various beneficial tools available to you. You can utilize tools such as BuzzSumo and Feedly to uncover topics that interest you and generate ideas for future writing assignments. However, Bitly and ClickMeter are fantastic options for link creation and tracking, while Buffer is the best option for social media planning and monitoring. When it comes to enhancing the visual appeal of your website using images and GIFs, Unsplash and GIF Maker are two solutions you may want to consider. Monetize your website by incorporating Google AdSense, VigLink, and Flippa into your strategy. GoTrace by AppSamurai, for example, is a sophisticated affiliate link testing and tracking tool that you can try out for free. This is just one example of the products I recommend. You can check your affiliate links to determine if any of them are damaged or not working properly. Affiliate marketing can be advantageous to both marketers and affiliates at the same time. Number 9. Select the right advertiser. High-quality and user-friendly websites are just as important as the websites of advertisers in terms of attracting customers. Visitors who are unsatisfied and disappointed with the goods they acquire as a result of your recommendation are less inclined to follow your recommendation again in the future. It has a negative impact on your credibility. Keep your attention focused on picking people that give outstanding customer service while simultaneously supporting the individual or brand being promoted. Number 8. Follow new methods and techniques. On Google, the phrase, "How to make money affiliate marketing" is searched for by a large number of people. Earning money with affiliate programs is something that everyone is interested in. As the world of digital marketing continues to evolve, so do the fashions. Because of this, affiliate marketing is employed. In order to be successful in a competitive environment, it is necessary to stay up with the most recent tactics and methods available. Long-term, going out of date results in falling behind, but remaining current results in the application of novel approaches. Number 7. Research product demand. It is said at the outset that you must understand market requirements. Let's get right to it with this section. If your website receives a lot of traffic, you should examine your daily, weekly, quarterly, and yearly traffic and sales charts to gain a better understanding of your customers' behaviors and preferences. If not, invest some time to learning how the product you intend to promote meets the needs of the people who will be buying it from you. Number 6. Test, measure, and track. The process of testing and assessing any action will assist you in determining which actions work and which do not in order to improve your performance. In accordance with the tracking findings, you should modify or maintain your actions. Take, for example, the fact that your banner adverts do not generate much cash for you. Consider placing them in a variety of settings to see how they perform in different situations. Yes, there are various avenues through which you might earn more income. Number 5. Attract targeted traffic. It is the most crucial goal of making money to encourage people to click on the affiliate links that you have provided. It is necessary for you to draw customers as a result of this. There are 4 types of marketing tactics available: pay-per-click advertising, free advertising, article marketing, and email marketing. You must carefully blend ad language, images, and a link on paid services such as Google AdSense, whereas you must insert links and adverts on free websites such as Craigslist or US free ads in order to be successful in paid advertising. Both companies rely on pay-per-click, PPC, advertising to generate revenue, which implies that they get compensated regardless of whether or not a reader purchases a product from them. You must have a higher ranking in search engine results in order to be deemed a trustworthy source for article marketing. There are a number of article submission platforms, such as 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 Articles, that will take submissions of your articles. Your job as a marketer entails submitting your post to affiliate marketers, who then republish your work. The marketer who was the first to upload the post sees his or her rank in search engine results steadily improve over time. On their websites, affiliate marketers add an email subscription option so that website users can choose whether or not they would like to receive emails from them. Number 4. Grow affiliate revenue from your email list. Whatever angle you choose, email marketing continues to be the most effective strategy of creating passive income. Every other strategy fails in some manner, and almost all of them fail miserably. The benefits of SEO are tremendous until Google updates its algorithm and your rankings tumble. Then SEO is no longer a viable option. If you have the financial resources to fail your way to the top, paid marketing may be an effective strategy to achieve quick results. Even in the best-case scenario, paid advertisements require ongoing monitoring and care in order to sustain high conversion levels. Email list traffic, on the other hand, is traffic that is always coming from you. Aside from that, it is densely populated with people who are interested in your topic and who, in turn, have expressed an interest in your content. Given the fact that you already know they are interested in your niche, you can be confident that they will give an excellent audience for your affiliate marketing efforts. One big disadvantage of email marketing is that most business owners find it difficult to grow their contact lists to the point where monetization is possible. Conversion campaigns, in the same manner that they may be used to drive traffic to your affiliate links, can also be utilized to grow your email subscriber list. Lead magnets might help you attract more people to your website. In order to accomplish this, you can create targeted pop-ups, floating bars, full-screen welcome mats, and other features. Number 3. Use several traffic sources. Increasing the amount of traffic given to a sales page has a direct proportional effect on increasing the likelihood of making money online. Even while running adverts on one's own website is not a bad idea, there are some drawbacks to doing so. The most well-known example is Google AdWords, which is a search engine advertising program. A targeted traffic stream will be directed to your sales page from a variety of sources after an advertisement is created in your AdWords account. Number 2. Choose more attractive products. In order to advertise anything, one should register with various affiliate marketing schemes at the same time. This is an unavoidable blunder. As a result, you will be unable to devote sufficient time to each of them, and the end product will be disappointing. Consider concentrating your efforts on a few things that are distinct, profitable, or have the potential to reach a large number of people rather than trying to promote everything. Because of this, in order to make money as an affiliate, you must first grasp the demands and desires of the market before positioning your products in accordance with those goals. Number 1. Be patient. Positions in affiliate marketing are available in a wide variety of industries. As a result, you'll have to be patient while waiting. If you want to obtain high-ranking positions on search engines and boost the visibility of your website, you may use certified content to help you do it. Additionally, you can participate in affiliate marketing events such as seminars or webinars and join in forums or online communities, among other things, in order to meet new folks. All of these individuals have made significant contributions to your growth and development over the course of your career. The fact that you are becoming more enthusiastic about making money through affiliate networks as a result of your charity efforts is only natural for you to experience. Provided that you are consistent and patient in your efforts, affiliate marketing can be a very profitable business venture for you. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 video channel.